Hi and welcome to my first devlog video for the project that I am currently working on since a couple months ago. Before I get started, my name is Farid, I'm a Malaysian, and I live in the largest state in Malaysia, and that is Sarawak, located in Borneo Island, being the neighbor of Singapore, Brunei, Indonesia. Anyways, we all know memes, right? And most of you know Polandball or Countryball, so if you don't know what that is, based on Wikipedia, Polandball or Countryball refers to user-generated visual art, typically manifesting as online comics, where countries are personified as typically spherical personas decorated with their country's flag, which is a ball with a flag on it. I love and enjoy the memes, especially the animated ones from animators such as the No Idea Animation, Kaliningrad General, and more. So I had in mind that I could make a game out of them. I already planned out 3 of them. The first one is a horror game which I took inspiration from the Never Ending Nightmares, but I failed to implement some features. So I moved along, and knowing that I need to make more money, so I made a very quick game, made it in a week, which is an endless runner game called Polandball Run for Survival. It's a simple game, nothing much special about it, but it's my first actual published game on the market. Now, I didn't release it on Google Play Store because my credit card got rejected for some reason. So instead, I published them on Aptoid and Amazon App Store. You can check it out, it's free to play. I was hoping getting ad revenue so I can buy a new computer, since my computer has crappy specs. Oh, and it will not get any updates because my computer got blue screen of death. I lost everything except that I was only able to save the current project. Let's talk about the Endless Runner game. It's supposed to be a project for an application development challenge in Unimas back in 2018. I didn't get the first place though, which just sucks. Now the third game is a tower defense game. Now keep in mind, I am not an expert in programming, so I refer to Bracket's tower defense tutorial. I learned a lot and I implemented some more features to the game. This project isn't really the third project, it's actually a project that I tried to make back in 2018. And at the time, I don't know much of programming and game development in Unity, so I abandoned it because of studies. After that, I watched a lot of game dev tutorials until now, especially from Brackeys, Blackthorn Plot, Thomas Brush, Danny, and Unity themselves. Now Danny is not a tutorial guy, his videos makes me think a lot in game dev. I don't know why, so don't ask me, and probably even Danny thinks it's weird. Right, Danny? Are you watching? No? Okay. Now, Polandball Defense, like I said, it's a tower defense game. After I made a prototype version out of it, I started planning on what I want to implement into the game. As most tower defense games have, different types of enemies, storylines, different turrets, and more. Other than that, I planned out some layout which how the places for the place turret to be placed. About the enemies, I use aliens, which is 6 balls. Other types of enemies such as the strong and the fast one, I had to make my own version out of it. I used Blender 3D to model everything for the game. I used Photoshop Paint Toolside to make 2D sprites for dialogue system. I tried to make the dialogue system, which is the text, to animate, but it didn't work out because we get fucked up with a lot of messy glitches. Like when you press the next button before the dialogue finishes, the text, I wish I could show them if it worked for blue screen of death. So instead, I just make the text have those something like pop-up animations. I want to make the dialogue next button are spammable without any problems because one of my friends playtested it and told me it is a good idea to make the dialogue appears fast. Now for the turrets. The way I get the idea from are based on their personality and the memes, like Polandball with plunger blaster, Russia with explosive, UK with anti-air cannon, Japan with laser beamer. I haven't decided to make the enemies to stop and attack the turrets yet, but I'll think about it. The levels are based on which nation are based on, and each level are divided to more levels based on the states of these nations. depending on how many states I want to have. It's not like I'm going to put 50 levels in USA. That's crazy. I'm working alone. Everything's like the modeling, the artwork made by me alone. So far I make levels in UK, Ireland and Russia. After that, I try to spice up the main menu screen, making the 3D, and some buttons in the scene makes the camera move to a specific point. After that, I make artwork for the game to be featured in the start screen, and it's one of the digital art that I'm proud of because the explosion, because I don't know how to draw smokes, fires, and explosion. Now about the music, I am not a musician. A lot of people offered me for them to make music for my game. I am on a budget which is $0 or 0 ringgit or €0, whatever. I appreciate the offer, but please understand that I have no money to pay you guys. Right now, I use pre-made copyright-free music. It's very hard to find that kind of music that fits the theme in each level, and I did found them. So shout out to Music for Video Library for the Great War theme music. About the music, I have a question. Is the music When Johnny Come Marching Home Again instrumental version copyrighted? If yes, then let me know. I think that's all I can tell about the project. I hope this devlog helps me create even wider audience, so thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next video.